Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves, eye protection, and long sleeves. Keep children and pets at least 24 ft away. Once done, check weather, avoid rain for 24 hours, and aim for 50 degrees to 85 degrees temperatures so the herbicide will work. Make sure to shake the bottle, read concentration, and test on a small patch to confirm no drift. Measure the weed area in square feet to calculate how much product you need. This prevents overuse and protects nearby plants. You now mix and apply with care. Follow the recommended ratio precisely, using a marked cup or sprayer tank so you don't overconcentrate. Once mixed, aim the nozzle 6 to 12 inches from the weeds and use slow, sweeping strokes to coat foliage without dripping. Make sure to target only the unwanted plants and avoid desirable landscaping. Also, apply midday when weeds are actively growing for better uptake, and use multiple short passes rather than one heavy blast to reduce runoff and drift. You finish by cleaning equipment and watching results. Rinse the sprayer twice into a safe container and dispose of rinse water according to the label. Then monitor the treated area for 7 to 14 days. Make a note and reapply only if new growth appears. If a desirable plant shows damage, act quickly. Water the soil deeply to dilute residue and avoid applying more herbicide nearby. As a troubleshooting tip, if you see unintended damage, stop applications immediately and consult the product label for first aid and recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.